Hello guys, I'm here again to make another videos how to create an RO server in DigitalOcean VPS Unmanaged Server. For this content, I will show you how to install. I hope it will help you guys. We need to prepare WinHCP, the putty, and the guide. Let's prepare also the RO client, the latest version, and Nemo, and the client exe. So no further intro, let's do this.
Okay, here we go guys. Let's start our tutorial. So let's click Google Chrome, and then let's go to my channel, and then the guide is already here. We will open the guide where it is. Oh, this one. Click that, it will pop up the new browser, my new tab browser. So here it goes. And also here's our username and password, and the IP address that we will use to access the VPS through putty WinHCP. Okay, let's add a new site. We will add this IP. Let's copy. And then the username, password. It's default 22. So let's try. Okay, so there you go. Okay, this VPS is DigitalOcean guys. Okay, so let's go here. Also let's open the putty. The password is this one. Right click and then enter. Okay, this is optional, so let's copy this one, install. Okay, there you go. Y, yes. Okay, complete. So let's try this one. No firewall, so let's skip the firewall command. So let's go to step 2, checking your web server. Let's start the server. So HTTPD. Okay, so let's check the status. Status. Okay, it's running. How can we check? So to check our server, let's go here and type IP address. If you have DNS guys already registered, so you can use your DNS pointing to your IP address. So as of now, temporary our guide is using IP address. I don't have a DNS right now because this VPS is this is sponsored by Sir Jordan. So thank you very much, sir, for sponsoring my tutorial. So let's go forward, guys. Okay, so we're done to check the web server. Let's continue to step to enable the HTTP server. Okay, then let's go to step 3. Install the PHP my admin. So let's copy this one. Yes. Okay, it's complete. Let's install this again. Another one. Okay, yes. Yes, again. Okay, it's complete. So we need to edit the php myadmin.com. There you go. We don't have nano command, so we need to install the nano. Let's go forward to our guide down below. In my guide, PDF guide, there is a tutorial how to install the nano. There you go. Install nano. Install the nano command. Yes. Okay, there you go. Let's go back to our guide. Let's go back here. The edit. Where's the edit? Where's the edit? There you go. There you go. This one. So let's go back to the command. Look for this line. what we have done. Okay, so Control O, then enter, Control X to exit. There we go. So another is sudo. Service. Let's check if the PHP my admin is working. So let's go back to our IP or link PHP my admin. There we go. So as of now, we don't have a username and password in PHP my admin. So let's configure it again. Let's go back to the guide. Let's continue to step 4, configuring MySQL MariaDB. MariaDB. Start MariaDB. It means this DigitalOcean VPS don't have a MariaDB server. So let's installing the MariaDB. Okay, let's go to the step 1. How to install this one. Okay. Yes. Okay, complete. So let's start. Another one. Let's enable the MariaDB. Okay, and then let's check the status. Okay, it's active and running. Let's go back to the original guide. So let's go to the original guide. We are in here. Secure installation. So let's copy this. This one. Password is empty. So let's press the enter. And then let's set our new IP. Y. And then remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. No. Remove tested database. Access. Yes. And reload privilege tables. Yes. To enable the service of MariaDB. So let's copy this one. Paste. Enter. Okay. Step 6. Let's update the server. So that all add-ons will be updated. updating your server. So let's continue. Sudo install CentOS release SEL. Okay, yes, it's complete. And then next, the GCC compiler. Okay, yes, yes, okay, it's complete. So another one is the GCC DevTools. Okay. Next, let's download the rAthena. Right click, oh, we don't have git command. Okay, let's install the git command. I'm sorry guys, we don't have guide how to install the git command. So let's go here. CentOS 7 install git 7. Okay, let's install this one. Okay, there you go. Okay, yes. Okay, it's complete. Click install. So next, let's go to the next guide. Let's download rAthena. Let's check. Okay, there you go. There is rAthena folder there. So let's go to rAthena folder. cdr okay. Layer. So let's use the 2019 2019 version. So let's go to Nemo. Nemo. So we need the client 2019. As per Jordan, he wants to use the 2019 client. So let's get the 2019 0605. 2019 0605M. This one. Okay. And this one. Open the folder. If you download this XC and also the file name is not the same what we are downloading, we need to change the file name of that file. Okay, so that it will run correctly. So where it is, there you go. Okay, let's rename this one. As you can see, will run. There you go. It's already downloaded. I will show you if I did not change that file name. I will download it again. Same file. Let's go to the folder. See, will open. Not work. It's only open like that and press the error missing client name. So anything just like that. So you must have renamed the file that you download. Okay, so let's do this one. So let's get this for our sample file. So let's go to desktop. Let's make a new folder. New folder. Client X. Okay. There we go. We have one exe. So another thing that we do is to download patcher. Okay. Downloads. This one. Start. Okay. Open. So let's extract it on the desktop. Okay, so let's open this one. Let's run the demo. So let's go to the file that we download the exe in our desktop. This one. Okay. Let's load the client, and also where is the select the recommended command. Okay, no problem with that. If you have your own item info, you can change this one. Also the data.ini. Okay. Okay, there you go. So let's change the icon, and also read the data folder first, because we use this for admin purposes. So let's select the read data folder first, and also plug icon, emoticon. Let's browse desktop, input, that's okay. For now, that's our default. So let's save our profile. So then I don't know, 2019-0605. Okay. Right. PX. Save that one, and also you can change also the name of that exe here, and custom title, custom window title, enable. Okay. So click save first, so that it will not lost. If something happen, and then click the apply. I click the load. Let's load our profile. Okay. It's already loaded, but our profile that we created. So let's click the apply selected, then click OK. Next is to download the whole client of RO. Okay, while we are downloading that TRO, next is to configure our server. Let's configure our server first. So let's use this command. Configure .2019.0604. Okay, 2019.0604. Configure LZ library not found incompatible. Please specify the error. So we encounter again the error. So let's go down below. Error Z library. So let's copy this one. Then yes. Complete. So let's do it again. Video. Okay, there you go. It's working. No error in Z library. So let's make a server. Make clean server. So okay, there you go. Our server is now done. So let's go back to our guide. Paste it. Putty. Okay. So let's check and upload the SQLDB or PHP admin. This one we have already registered before. I configured the username here. So our default username is root. The default password we entered last time, and the MariaDB configuration is the password that we will enter here, Ragnarok. That's our default password, Ragnarok. All the username and password that I use here, guys, is all default, so that we can minimize our configuration. So let's go to the next process. Is click the users, click add users, then the name of our server, default Ragnarok, and password is Ragnarok, and default password is Ragnarok. Go and then click Ragnarok, and then let's go to this when it's CP, then open our Athena SQL file. Let's download it here. Okay. Okay, it's done. Suppose. Okay, the download is done. Also, configuration is done. What we do next is to start the server. First, let's go to the Windows CV. Let's check the SQL files. Okay, there is an SQL file here. Let's import all the SQL files here. Our PHP admin. So let's click the choose file. Where do we go? Next is in the documents SQL. Okay, let's click the documents SQL files. Let's select the default files only, the name, okay. Go. Choose file, then the logs, choose file, DB, choose file, choose file, go to login. Login. Let's check. Okay, this one keyword. Okay, let's use that default. If you want to change that one, guys, you can change this here, and also go to rAthena also and change here your username and password. In the rAthena, you can change it here. This one P1. Okay, so as of now we use the default, so to minimize the changes or the configuration here. So if you want to change, it's easy, guys. Go here and change that username and password. So I will use the pre-renewal server, so I will change the src font, go to the renewal and then edit. I will use the notepad, browse. I will use the notepad plus. Much better, much better. Notepad not here. Here, notepad plus. Okay, because if you use the notepad plus, you can see if the command is working. Okay, I click this one, it will change the color. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, and then see plus, then let's go back to our rAthena folder. So let's config again our server. So make clean server. So while we are compiling our servers, let's extract this RO client. So let's extract it here in our desktop. And also let's go back to my channel. Let's download the free RE client. Okay, let's open this. Let's get this one. Data. Client, so let's copy this data inside this client. So let's copy this one. Extract here. Okay, done already. So let's minimize this one. So our server complete complete compiling. So let's go to the client and then copy the exe, this one, and also the db. Okay, this one together, paste it here. Okay, there it goes. There you go. So let's edit the db data, I mean data folder. Let's edit where it is. Where it is. Client. There you go. Client info XML. Then we choose another apps. More apps. Notepad. Okay, take for this one. Okay. Then save. Let's start the server. Athena does start. Start. Okay. Okay. Error found. So our server is now started. So let's start the client. Okay. Temporary, I will use the shortcut to add new user here. So I will export this one. I will export. Yeah. username, so I will change this to 3 before this to yung then the username Chatterboy and the password is 12345 6 and sex is male. Okay, that's it. Let's copy and let's go to the main database and then click the SQL, then run it, hit go. It's already in our lucky. So there you go. It's already registered. So let's try our client. Okay, guys, now we're done. All is working good. If you want to change your account as administrator, you will choose this one to 99. So account will be administrator. For now, I can use the command. But after I will log out my account, it will I can use the GM command. Okay. Level 99. Okay, level. Use now the emotion. Sit. Okay. Flag of the Philippines. Where it is? You. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the like and the subscribe button and also the notification bell you will be notified if I have a new videos uploaded in my YouTube channel. So that's for now, guys. If you have more question or suggestion, please comment down below. And also, before I end this video, I would like to thanks to Mr. Jordan for lend this VPS server for a few days as new content for my tutorial. And thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace.